What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. You know that I'm on the search for those crypto gems, ones that sit less than $100 million market cap, ones that sit at tens of millions of dollars worth of a market cap, or maybe even $5 million market cap, or maybe even less than that, right? We see what we have with a lot of meme coins that are down at that level, and we're looking for it to push one of those to absolutely pump, just like a lot of these other ones are in the meme coin season that we're in. We're seeing things like Dog with Hat that's getting up to a $3 billion market cap. Pepe that's getting up to a $4 billion market cap. You're seeing Bonk that's up to a $2 billion market cap, $3 billion market cap from the level that it was at, which was a $20 million market cap to multiple $1 billion market cap. If we could find that type of play, it's kind of a no-brainer to be a part of that and to want to see those same level of gains. So we're on the search for these type of plays, and honestly they've come from all different types of chains, whether it's Ethereum, BSC, Avalanche, Cardano, Solana, whatever. There's a lot of attention around different chains, different networks to be able to purchase these meme coins from. And there were a lot on Ethereum, but the problem that people have with Ethereum is the gas fees. The gas fees are insanely high, to where you're paying $45, $60, $70, $80 to go through with one trade of $100 if you wanted to. And that's a problem, right? So a lot of coins and tokens have been created on Solana and on Avalanche and on whatever platform, right? BSC. It's just going to be very cheap, faster than what you would have with Ethereum. It's just a better alternative. But Solana has seen the brunt of that volume. We've seen so much volume that has flown through Solana. So any Solana meme coin is like top tier, top shelf type of activity, type of position. So I'm interested to see anyone that comes out of there with a lower market cap, because we know that they could potentially reach hundreds of millions, as well as maybe even reach billions. You see what two Solana meme coins, they're in the top, 5 right here. And you're seeing Dog with Hat and Bonk that's up there, and you're seeing a lot of other ones that are flowing up. But I feel like this new one that I'm bringing to the table, which is not brand new, but it's something that has been around for a little bit, and I'm just really getting, visual of it now. Ben the Dog, which is built on Solana, and it has something different than a lot of these other Solana meme coins that are coming out. Not the top ones, but definitely around all of the ones that are created, even the ones that are in the hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a level. So we'll talk about that. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Ben the Dog down in the description, feel free to check that out. I implore you guys to research as much as you can. Don't just buy because someone else is buying, whether it's me or whether it's somebody else. I haven't told you if I even bought the position yet. And that's what I like about this, right? I don't tell you that I'm buying. I hope that you guys can research, and I open the door for you so that if you see an opportunity now, you can buy that position. So that's what this is all about, is education, education, education. So currently, if we look at Ben the Dog, this is where we stand on CoinMarketCap. It currently is down 3.45% on the day. We're seeing the market cap at 33 billion, so it has a lot of room for growth above here, especially when you compare it with other things that are created on the Solana chain. You can see that you have hundreds of millions of dollars that it can get to. $300 million, that will be a 10x. We are seeing $10 million worth of volume for this play in the last 24 hours, meaning that we're seeing a 30% volume to market cap ratio. And you know me, I love popularity. Seeing that market cap ratio shows me that there's a lot of volume that's flowing through it compared to where the market cap is. Doesn't matter if it's positive volume, negative volume, whatever it is, there's just a ton of volume that's flowing through it compared to that overall market cap. Also, the circulating supply is sitting at about 876 million Ben Dog, and that's 87% of the supply, which is 1 billion. It says it's 1,000 million, which is 1 billion. I don't know why it just doesn't say 1B instead of 1,000 M, but that's the way that it's classified on CoinMarketCap. That's the way that they put it. But the point is, you have 1 billion total coins that are there. Fully diluted market cap would be a $36.45 million market cap. So virtually all of the position is actually out there. And that's a good thing to me. When I see all the position that's out there, meaning it does not have any type of dilution potential, meaning that what price we're seeing it at now, we don't have to worry about that price decreasing just because more supply is added in any way. So that's definitely a good situation. Now, if we look at the highest point that it got to today, it was around 5 cents, currently decreasing, seeing it down to a level of 36 cents. We are seeing the market that's actually decreasing a little bit. Over the last 7 days, it's up by 51%. Over the last month, it's up by 291%. And over the last year, we're seeing that 291%. It was launched at the end of February, and you can see the level of growth that it has had from a 80% of a penny price up to 3.5 cents, all the way up to a high here of about 5 cents. That's huge, right? From that level to where we are, yes, it's not a crazy market cap, but it is a lot higher than where we started, which means that you could see so much growth from here on out. So and you've seen so much growth, and I'm sure people have already had that success. Now, the thing that I talked about earlier, I said that this position has something different than a lot of other, meme coins that are created, a lot of other coins that are created on the Solana chain there. And I think it's this, right? Markets. Having markets available, and it doesn't have to have a crazy amount of markets, but having some markets available like Gate.io and MEXC, and having the different places to where you can purchase it versus just being available on Jupiter or swap mechanisms, it makes it 10 times better that you have the exchange volume. It brings more and more to the table. You can see Gate.io has $4.2 million worth of volume, and you know for a fact that it doesn't matter that those exchanges don't really do anything from maybe utility wise or the DEX side of things. What it's doing is it's bringing popularity to the market for that position and for, meme coins in general. It's bringing more and more popularity as you have exchanges that it's available on. And some of these other coins that are out there don't actually have those exchanges, meaning that you're not seeing that level of popularity with that position. So it's interesting to me. I do want to show you guys the Twitter account. Currently, you can see they have 23.9K followers, and they have a business check mark there. You can go through their tweets, and they have some funny memes and things that are happening, and some good engagement as well throughout it. This is not old at all, right? This is not brand new. It's something that you've had a little bit of movement, but you've seen a little history within that movement. It's not something that's like today or yesterday. It's something that has been, 14, 15 days old, and you could see the progression within those 15 days of exactly how this has been pushing. And this is only 15 days old compared to CoinMarketCap. I'm sure before it got listed on CoinMarketCap, it had a history before that price there. But just from CoinMarketCap perspective, you can see the level of growth that this has had because it's new, brand new, more volume that's coming through, and it feels good to see this level of growth within it. So I'm definitely interested, especially sitting only at 5 cents and sitting at a $30 million market cap. I feel like there's so much more room above it. Now, again, I'm not going to tell you whether I purchased it or not, or whether I am going to purchase it. I want you guys to go ahead and make that decision for yourself. I'll provide all the information down below where you guys can break this down, and hopefully, you let me know how you feel about it. If you don't feel any type of way about it, let me know in the comment section as well. I'm interested to know. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.